Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Vaporeon. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the mouth. In the center here, let's draw a curve down to the left, and then one down to the right. Now underneath, let's draw a U shape. And then a curve inside at the bottom for the tongue. Next, let's draw the nose on top with a small line. Let's draw the eyes next, starting with the right side. Next to the nose here, let's draw a curve up and out. Now from the inside, let's draw a curve down and then curve it back up for the shape of the eye. And then inside, let's draw an oval here near the top. Now let's do the same thing for the left eye. Now let's add the shape of the head. On the left side, next to the eye, let's draw a line down, and then we're going to curve it in for the chin. And now let's do the same thing on the right. Next, at the top above the eyes, let's draw a V shape like this. Then on both sides, let's curve it down to the side of the head. Next, above the head on the left, let's draw a curve here. And then leave a gap, and we're going to do the same thing on the right. Now in the gap in the center, let's draw a long pointed V shape up. And then inside, let's draw a line down. Next, let's draw the fin-shaped ears. On the right, let's draw a curve out like this. And then from the end, let's bring it back into the head. Now let's do the same on the left. Next, on the ends, let's draw a small curve down on both sides. And then a longer curve like this. And then from the bottom, let's bring it back into the head. Next, inside each one, let's draw two curves. Next, let's draw the circle of webbing around the head. Let's start above the head on the left, and we're going to draw a scalloped pattern over like this. And the same thing on the right side. Now inside each side, we're going to draw a small line up from the head. Now let's continue this under. Under the head in the center here, let's draw a curve. And then 3 more curves up to the ears on both sides. Next, inside, let's draw some curved lines. So let's draw one under the head here on the left and on the right. Now let's move out, and we're going to draw another small curve and then one below it. And the same on the right. and then lastly, one more set next to the head. And that's it for the head. Let's draw the body next. Underneath on the right side, let's draw a curve down, out, and then back in. Next, let's draw the top of the tail. Let's start out on the right, and we're going to draw an S curve across like this. Now let's move over to the left side and draw the other side of the body. Let's start with the angled line down here. Now from the end, let's curve it out and down like this. Now let's draw the scallop fin on top of the body. Let's start on the left side, under the head, and let's draw a scallop pattern all the way down across the body. And then stopping here at the same level as the body. Now from the bottom, let's draw an S curve across following the other curve of the tail. Now let's continue that scallop pattern. Let's start on the left side here, and we're going to draw the first curve under the body line. Now let's continue that scalloped line over to the right. Now let's finish off the tail by drawing the bottom. Let's start on the left side and let's draw a curve down, and then let's curve it over to the right following the same curve as the top part. Now let's draw the end of the tail. On the bottom here, let's draw an S curve down, and then a curve on the right side. Next, in the gap, let's draw a small curve here. And now let's draw the other side of the tail on top in the same way. And that's it for the tail. Let's finish drawing the body next. Let's start with drawing the left leg. Inside above the tail here, let's draw a line down, and then continue it under the tail. And now let's move over to the right and let's draw the other side in the same way. But at the bottom, let's curve it out and then back in to close off the foot. And now let's draw two curves for the toes. Now let's draw the other foot next to it on the right. Let's start under the tail and we're going to draw a curve down, over, and back in. And then two curves for the toes. And lastly, let's add some detailed lines on the body. To the right of the leg on the body here, let's draw two curves like this. Now let's move over to the left of the leg and another two curves. And then one small one on the bottom left here. And that's it for Vaporeon. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!